If your lights are out but the circuit breaker hasn't tripped, there are several possible reasons for this issue. The problem could be due to faulty switches, an overloaded circuit, or issues with the light bulbs themselves. To address these problems, start by checking the switches. Ensure they are turned on and verify that no breakers have tripped. Inspect the wiring for any damage. Tighten loose connections, and replace the switch if necessary. Using a voltage tester can help identify any issues. If the problem persists, it may be due to an overloaded circuit. To fix this, unplug all devices in the affected area and redistribute high wattage appliances to other circuits. Replace any blown fuses or reset tripped breakers. And consider installing additional circuits if overloads continue to occur. It's also essential to check the light bulbs. Ensure they are properly installed, securely screwed in, and not burnt out. If necessary, replace them with new, compatible bulbs. Additionally, clean the socket contacts to prevent corrosion and verify that the switch is functioning correctly. Testing the fixture with a known working bulb can also help resolve the issue. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the problem and get your lights working again.